If you are an Ethereum holder, then prepare to be blown the frick away by what I'm about to tell you. Because when I started putting all of this together, dude, it's crazy what's going on with Ethereum right now. And make sure to stick around to the end of this video for the last 2 points, because they are without a doubt the biggest and most important points. Now let's start off with this, and this is all mind-blowing, right? In 2022, the total number of Ethereum owners grew by 280% compared to Bitcoin, which only grew by 20%. The factors driving Ethereum ownership are really just that demand to get access to layer 2 networks like Arbitrum and Optimism. We also see big demand for buying NFTs, and perhaps most importantly, getting access to those sweet, sweet staking rewards. But whatever the reason, the numbers speak for themselves, and they are impressive. 280% growth in a year. And that happened during a year in which so much pain, so much suffering happened in the markets. I mean, 2022 was nuts, man. And people were still piling into ETH like it was going out of style. Also, keep in mind the total number of crypto users grew from 305 to 425 million in 2022, which again, if we consider that chart of ETH growth, it means that 2 in 3 users who came into the market came into Ethereum. That's pretty impressive. And if that didn't surprise you, then I bet this will. Currently, Ethereum in a bear market, let me remind you, is deflationary. Just look at this chart right here. You can see that so far over 5,000 Ethereum have been burnt, and that currently the supply of Ethereum is actually deflating by 0.012% per year. I know that doesn't sound like a lot, but it's still deflationary. All we need is one tiny spark, and that's going to go very deflationary. We're going to see 1 or 2 or 3% deflation per year. A new NFT season could come, a new DeFi season could come, even just more users coming in, all could push that into big deflation, right? And push that supply down. So ownership's up 280% in a year. Supply is currently deflating. I mean, come on. I'm not a math doctor here, but I'm pretty sure that is bullish. Now, next one, totally nuts as well, so listen up. 80% of new crypto users coming into crypto, they're buying freaking NFTs. According to a recent report by Electric Capital in 2022, 80% of new wallets, their first actions were related to buying NFTs. It appears that NFTs are indeed the Trojan horse for crypto into the mainstream adoption. It's crazy. But what's that have to do with Ethereum, you might ask? Well, as you can see on this chart here, about 75% of the NFT trading volume, it is happening on Ethereum still. Oh yeah, you know, Solana and Polygon, they've got their little NFT scenes. They're doing a little thing over there, you know, but nothing like Ethereum. Ethereum is still just destroying the NFT market. Like 75% of the volume is on Ethereum. It's not even close. So that means the majority of those new wallets are being made on Ethereum to buy Ethereum-based NFTs, which means they need to buy Ethereum in order to do that. Ethereum is the Trojan horse for mainstream crypto adoption. Wowzers. Now this following point, something that really shows why you can't be fading Ethereum. Ethereum has maintained a very strong developer lead over every other chain. In fact, Ethereum has 2.5 times as many developers as the next closest chain, which just happens to be Polkadot. Now, to be clear, other chains might have had more code commits, like Polkadot had the lead on code commits in the last 30 days, right? Could have faster developer growth, right? So those are certainly metrics to pay attention to as well. But right now, Ethereum is so far ahead of the pack in total numbers of developers, that's not even really a competition right now. Now, before telling you about an absolutely game-changing upgrade coming to Ethereum, as well as BlackRock's potential interest in Ethereum, I just wanted to let you know about my weekly crypto investor newsletter. It's called Wealth Mastery, and it's just jam-packed full of money-making alpha, altcoins, airdrops, testnets, NFTs, DeFi tutorials, market analysis, and much more. Join our over 50,000 weekly readers. You can sign up for free using the link in the description, so go ahead and do it. And now you've got to listen to this next Ethereum news story. It's absolute insanity, and I'm shocked that this is something that's happening in a bear market. It really just shows you the Ethereum development, it never stops. Ethereum just keeps getting better. Ethereum is going to bring out a game-changing upgrade called account abstraction. And I know what you're thinking, WTF is account abstraction, Lark. Well, put simply, this allows for safer crypto use by regular people by dealing with one of the biggest barriers that we see to adoption: human error. The aim is to use smart contracts to be able to execute crypto transactions, meaning that you won't have to be signing off on every single transaction, which is of course great implications for gaming and paying bills and microtransactions, all that kind of stuff. Basically making using Ethereum as easy as using your bank account. That removes the danger as well of losing your private keys, because these types of accounts would be controlled by code, not keys. This is how Ethereum and crypto more broadly really go mainstream, and it's coming later this year, which is very exciting. Get ready, because this is huge. The implications for this are crazy beyond belief. Okay, now this final one may be the most important point yet, and if it's true, if my speculation plays out, then oh boy, watch out. Big financial firms, they say they are doubling down on their crypto moves. In particular, BlackRock has said they're going to be focusing on expanding out their efforts into the digital asset space. BlackRock CEO Larry Fink also said in December that the next generation of securities will be the tokenization of securities. BlackRock launched their Bitcoin fund mid last year, right when the Bitcoin market was in complete meltdown, almost at the bottom. Had the FTX collapse not come, that would have been the bottom. But they have yet to announce an Ethereum fund. Now, my speculation here is that we are going to see an Ethereum fund launched by BlackRock this year. We know that the demand is there. We know that BlackRock is rolling out more products for their investor customers. We know that they are already paying attention to the tokenization of everything space, which is largely happening on Ethereum. We've seen big banks in Europe, for example, issue out bonds and property and stuff on Ethereum. What do you think BlackRock is going to do? Are they going to launch an Ethereum fund this year? I'm thinking yeah, and if so, the implications are crazy. Okay, that's it. Subscribe now. See you next time.